Hi folks, I would like to welcome you to my channel, and today's topic is about understanding the most popular traditional Palestinian dish. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe or click on the bell icon to stay informed with regular updates. The following is the recipe for the most popular traditional Palestinian dish, which is known as magloob. Firstly, rinse the rice and lentils separately under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes and soak the lentils in water for about 1 hour. Drain both well before using. Next, in a large pot, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and cook until they are soft or golden brown, while stirring occasionally. Remove half of the onions and set aside for later. To the pot with the remaining onions, add the minced garlic and chicken pieces. Cook until the chicken is browned on all sides. Add the soaked and drained lentils to the pot with the chicken. Pour enough water to cover the chicken and lentils. Season with salt, black pepper, ground cumin, ground coriander, ground cinnamon, and ground turmeric. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 20-25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender and the chicken is cooked through. While the chicken and lentils are cooking, heat some olive oil in a separate pan over medium heat. Fry the potato slices until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove from the pan and drain on paper towels. Once the lentils and chicken are cooked, remove the chicken pieces from the pot and set them aside. Layer the cooked potatoes evenly over the lentils in the pot. Spread the sliced tomatoes over the potatoes, then arrange the reserved browned onions on top. Drain the soaked rice and spread it evenly over the onions. Pour enough water over the rice to cover it completely, about 1 inch above the rice level. Season the rice layer with a little salt. Place the chicken pieces on top of the rice layer. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook over low heat for about 30-40 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and tender and the liquid is absorbed. Check occasionally to make sure the rice is not burning on the bottom. If needed, add a little more water. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. To serve, carefully invert the pot onto a large serving platter so the rice and chicken come out in a neat dome shape. Garnish with chopped parsley or cilantro. Serve the magloob hot, accompanied by yogurt or cucumber salad if desired. Enjoy your delicious Palestinian meal. If you have any suggestions in terms of the type of videos that I should talk about, then please do share it on the comment section. In the meantime, see you folks on the next video.